Welcome back to Cricket Analysis. Today we are having Royal Challengers Bangalore, the one and only one title contenders from 2018 to 2020, three-time finalists. So we'll see. Isal Cup naam de. So over to you, Rahul.
Yeah, Rohit. They're. I think this time also they will face the same set problems. I think so. Like they are facing very difficulties before the start of the tournament. They particle tested positive, and recently Daniel Sams tested positive. I think good news for them is Develop Particle joined them. I think so. Joined them. So I
RCB's
think maybe he will be
unlucky.
ready for the first match.
RCB's luck has unlucky has they're way before them, way ahead of them. They even reached Chennai before reaching of RCB.
Yeah.
So
And also, like if Glenn Maxwell clicks this season, they will have a good season. I think so.
yeah,
And
but
also,
what
it
are
pretty
the
much
chances of
depends on their bowling. I think so. Death bowling and start bowling because their legs. I think they are the highest. They gave so many runs in the last overs. I think the 16 to 20 period. They considered many runs than compared to other teams. I think so.
yeah, even this Rajat Patidar, I am hearing his name quite often. Like he may even play at the number three or number four like that. Is it true, Rahul?
Yeah, I also heard. So I also saw so much of his videos. Like even in the scores in the practice matches, he hit I think 90 or 40 or something, 40 or 50 odd balls.
Yeah,
Like
and
he's
even
playing very good clean hits.
yeah, if he can middle RCB, then luck of RCB is also in the middle of the bat. So, while coming to Mohammad Azharuddin, he's also a good wicket-keeper batsman. I feel who may have filled the Parthiv Patel slot.
Yeah, but I think he'll not get the chance. I think so because what I heard is ABD Villiers will keep the wickets this season, and
Okay,
also he's an opening batsman. Azharuddin, like they don't have any slot for opening because as Virat said that he will bat in the opening this season. Virat and their particular two starters, so
and one
maybe
more,
he'll not get for certain pre-matches.
here. The change is Josh Philippe is not there. So
Yeah, they got Finalen. Yeah,
Uh, so they got a Kiwi wicketkeeper batsman in place of George Philippi. We have quite often seen this. The Australian players are complaining about the bio bubble, they are leaving they don't wanted to play IPL. Even Josh Philippi said the same reason. Mitchell Marsh
Mitchell
said the
Marsh,
same reason, and who was the other guy?
Josh Hazelwood.
Josh Hazelwood said the same reason. Even the news where like Billy Stanley was offered in replacement of Josh Hazelwood, but he also said the same reason. Is it true, Rahul?
Yeah, I don't know about Billy Stanley, but all the three are same. But I think they should be telling the franchises at least 1 month before whether they are coming or not.
Yeah,
By
because
telling them before 1 week is a very bad thing because they can't make replacements within a week in
yeah,
these tough situations.
and even not making only replacement, but now the situation is they have to come here. They have to be in a quarantine for 7 to 10 days, and then join the team. And till then, they will be have played almost 3 to 4 games.
Yeah,
In previous situations, they were like coming and joining the teams directly, but now it's not the situations.
yeah, it's a one day affair in the previous situations.
Yeah. So I think Harshal Patel is back with them with the RCB. He was good with the ball and the bat as well in the previous season. When he played for RCB, and Yuji Chahal is also there. And can we expect Kane Richardson this season playing?
Yeah, that depends because if you look at the RCB's Indian batting order, excluding Virat, they don't have any experienced international guy. So they
Yeah,
might think to play Daniel Christian because he's a
yeah,
very experienced T20 player. I think he's the most experienced T20 player because I think he won at least 5 to 7 championships. I think so in T20 circuit.
yeah. I have also heard wherever he has played T20s, he had
He
won
won.
all of them.
And also he
And
can offer with bat and ball both. 4
yeah,
overs, I think he can offer 4 overs and bat. Very good hitting, clean hitting.
And it was quite surprising. Like RCB has came into this auction with 35 crores around, and they have almost spent around all the money
30
around
crores.
this. Yeah, all the
30
money
crores
around.
on two players.
Yeah, 30 crores on two plus and 4.8 for Daniel Christian. How quite surprising their auction strategies.
Yeah, they bought like four players from 80 lakhs, I think so.
Yeah,
20 base package.
but how?
But also they made some good buys. If you look at this, Sachin Baby is a former RCB player, and he batted very well in the 2016 season, where they went to the finals.
Yeah, and even if they can get chances for Mohammad Azharuddin also, it's quite good. And
KS
even
Bharat
KS,
also, I think today he got 45 of 20, I think so, somewhat
acha,
around.
acha. He's also wicketkeeper batsman. He can be backup. And so, what would be your playing 11, Rahul?
I don't know, but they have to make some pretty calls. Even though Kyle Jamison, I don't know whether he performs very well in Indian thing, but
Yeah,
for
he's
his
also
hefty
he's all
paycheck, he has to play from first match itself. Mine would be if Padikkal is okay and then he is not in quarantine, he'll play in the first match. Then Virat Kohli and Padikkal. If not, I think they have to go with Azharuddin. I think so. Virat Kohli and Azharuddin. Then the third will be
at
either
least if Padikkal is not there for first match, I think they should give a chance for a Washington Sundar.
yeah, Washington
So,
Sundar.
like, at least
I have
for
also seen some, yeah, like
yeah,
there
yeah.
are. I have seen some previews where they said they picked Washington Sundar as number three player for RCB.
Yeah, it would be quite good, I guess. A left-hand batsman, like they are only having Devdutt Padikkal as a top-order batsman who bats a left-handed.
And also, it will give an extra option for them in the bowling. Bowling if Washington Sundar bats open, if
Uh,
opens or bats at number three overalls.
he
And also,
batted in
like
the
even
yeah, yeah, please,
TNPL, TNPL and Tamil Nadu
yeah,
cricket.
in the in for RPS also he batted at the top order only. I think I don't remember well, but he and
Yeah, yes,
Rahul
bro.
Tripathi used to play at the top order. I feel like I used to remember like vaguely. I don't know the complete scenario, but we'll see how this season happens for them. And so the spin department will be again handled by UZ Chahal, who got recently
And
married,
Washington Sundar.
and yeah, Washington Sundar also.
And
So
also, they have an overseas very good replacement, Adam Jampa, but
yeah,
he might not get many matches this season. I think so
yeah.
because of
So
those things. And the
there are
problem with pace bowling, I think they have pretty much problem. They only have Navdeep Saini and Mohammad Siraj.
yeah,
Harshad
there are
Patel is an
only
all-rounder, but I don't think he's a very good pace bowler. He's
yeah,
a good
like
pace bowler, but not very good pace bowler. I think they will still face some issues with the death bowling, and they also very good news for them is like they can get three spin overs, bowlers who can bowl spin. Glenn Maxwell can also bowl 4 hours of spin in
yeah.
T20.
I think Daniel Sams is also an all-rounder. I think
Yeah, he's an all-rounder.
yeah, he can also give some overs for you. So
But
coming
I
to the
don't know where they fit him. Like ABD Villiers and Glenn Maxwell are shoot starters.
yeah, and
Kylie
Kylie
Jamison for
Jamison,
his 15 crore, I think they will
paycheck.
pick him.
Of course, they have to. And Daniel
Then
Christian,
only Daniel Christian or Daniel Sams. We
I
have to
think
wait and see for that.
he will be a floater, I guess. So
Yeah.
Virat Kohli, Devdutt Padikkal, followed by I think there are missing some Indian batsmen here.
I think Sachin Baby or Rajat Patidar in one of them will fill.
Yeah,
I think
that would
so.
be good because AB de Villiers directly coming into that power
Number
play also
three is
would be
yeah.
like I think again the same scenario, like placing all the burden over the shoulders of ABD will be repeating, I guess. So one
Yeah.
three down player should be another Rajat Patidar, or they should open with Azharuddin, and Virat Kohli should bat at number three, and then ABD.
ABD Glenn Maxwell.
Yeah, that
And sixth
three.
would be either like same Sachin Baby or Rajat Patidar in one of them. One place in three, one place in
I
sixth.
think Washington
Then
Sundar can
Washington
come,
Sundar.
or Harshal Patel can bat, or if they play Daniel Sams, he can, or Daniel Christian. They have
Yeah,
pretty
both
good
can bat.
options, but
Daniel Sams also very good batsman. I think so.
yeah,
He's a good batsman. I think.
and all these are like they don't have replacement for these players.
Yeah.
Absolutely not. Like Kylie Jamison is also same. He hasn't performed in subcontinents, and they don't know how he will be playing for subcontinent in subcontinent conditions. So we'll look forward. And any other things that you wanted to add, Rahul?
No, no, that.
And yeah, in the post pre-auction strategy, as we have said, Sanjay Baganar is a batting coach.
Yeah, Sanjay Bangar is the batting coach for RCB.
And have you heard that they are having a woman physio? I think it's the first time in the
No, last
IPL.
season also they had
So,
Navnita Gautam or something like name
yeah,
it.
she is trained in Canada. I don't know, but but it's a good thing. Like they are not having a gender bias, and where the men dominant
Yeah.
field is coming into quite. It's an we
Yeah,
can say.
but also you forgot about this auction strategies and inflate deflate. Ramurthy Avare, Dennis said
I don't know.
Nax, Mr. Nax,
Ah,
coach, auction strategist,
yeah, 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 yeah,
everything. Mr. Nax.
yeah. He's
He's very important part of RCB.
yeah, he's 12th player, 12th man. So we'll see even how the team responds, how King Kohli responds to this IPL 2021. It's 14 seasons still now, and RCB
I
have.
think just one day for I think AB de Villiers and Virat Kohli. They were coming out of quarantine tomorrow. I think
Oh, so good
one
luck for
day
RCB.
before the.
So
Yeah,
only they are having match only day after tomorrow. I feel so.
yeah, just one day
Uh,
gap for them to practice.
they are big players. They can come and hit.
Yeah,
So we'll see. We'll be seeing you on the 9th April, the preview part of the MI versus RCB match. So thank you guys. So till then, please stay tuned to Cricket Analysis. Like, share, and subscribe.